Being offered at auction, this custom-built one-owner ranch home nestled on a picturesque 1-acre lot exudes rural charm. This home features 4 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. The home's exterior showcases a combination of brick and vinyl siding, complemented by a detached 2-car garage and an attached bank barn, providing ample storage and functionality. Inside, you'll discover a thoughtfully designed layout with spacious living areas, including a family room, great room, and dining room. The kitchen comes equipped with modern appliances such as a refrigerator and dishwasher, making it ideal for everyday living and entertaining. The home offers 4 comfortable bedrooms, providing ample space for family and guests. A full bathroom and convenient half bath ensure comfort and functionality. Enjoy the tranquility of country living with the property's expansive lawn and mature trees. The attached bank barn adds unique character and versatility, perfect for hobbies, storage, or agricultural pursuits. Don't miss the opportunity to own this charming ranch home. Mark your calendar for the online and live auction on June 26th at 6 p.m., with the open house scheduled for June 18th from 6 to 7 p.m. For more information, call Jerry Hurst.